Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this little Elecom Sling Bag, which is for cameras. It's worth less than 20 USD. So let's open this up and see if this bag is for you. Okay, let's get some scissors to cut this. It looks a bit hard to tear open. Okay, I've got a tiny one. I think that should be all there is. Yes, okay, so that's all I need. So this is the bag itself on the cover. It looks promising for the $20 I paid. Alright, so here is the bag. It looks quite nice, quite cute, and quite simple. I think it'll be something that I'll carry around. Let's take out the straps and adjust it accordingly. Oh, okay, but before we move ahead, let's see what stuff we can store in first. I think it might only hold about my A7 II and maybe one lens, so let's just try a simple setup. So here is my A7 II with the kit lens and wide angle lens. So I can see there's actually these dividers. They gave me just one, but I think it should be more than enough. So let's stuff it in. Okay, let's put the main camera to my left. Okay, it's stuffed in. I actually discovered there's actually this side zipper over here. Actually, it's the back zipper, not the side. But yeah, you can store some things over here. And then inside, there are these two smaller pouches. I hope you guys can see beneath the main compartment. So okay, so why not let's bring this out and see how it looks on me, and you guys can make a decision whether this one is for you after I tell you guys my final verdict. So follow me out and let's go. Hi guys, so after spending considerable time on this bag, I'm ready to give my final verdict on this bag. All in all, compared with the Series Lite, which was one of my favorite cameras bags of 2019, this camera bag is a very simple and one whole design. You see that there are no other pockets right here and right here. So for all those who like a very wholesome package, very whole and simple package, this is the one for you. So for the saving grace of this bag, I'll say that there are two things which I like about this design. Now, one is this back pocket over here. You can actually put items right here and it's very concealed. So here I have my USB cables. So you can put notebooks or something that's discreet right here if you don't want other people to be able to have access to it. Now, the second one is the inner pockets. So as you guys can see below my camera, there are these two inner pockets which I'll take items out to show you where it's stuffed. So this one is my card reader right here. That's the first pocket. And the second one is right here, which I keep my wipes. So these are the two compartments which make this design a bit more impressive, a bit more worth this $20 price tag. Personally, I did wish that these pockets would have a bit more of a contrasting design, as it's quite camouflaged within the texture of this bag on the inner pockets. So I would just prefer it to be something of a lighter color, maybe white or beige, so that you're able to see that there are pockets right here and there are items you stuff in. So now I hope you guys like this video on my coverage of this Normas bag, which is about 20 USD. The link for getting this bag is in the description down below. Just to let you guys know, the price may waver depending on the manufacturer, but either ways, this is where I got the bag from. So for all those who are new here, please do like and subscribe so you'll be up to date with my gadget or bag reviews, which are always here on my channel. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.